Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your photo and organizing the workspace so you can work fast. Open the file directly or drag it into GIMP, then scale the image to the target resolution so edits are non-destructive. Once done, enable the essential docks, layers, tool options, and brushes to access controls quickly. Make sure to duplicate the background layer right away and work on the copy. That lets you compare before and after without losing the original. Now perform the main corrections and retouching with intent. Start with exposure and color. Use levels for quick balance or curves for precise tone shaping, sampling black and white points to anchor contrast. Once tonal issues are solved, add a layer group for local corrections and apply layer masks to limit effects. For blemishes, alternate heal and clone tools. For texture versus tone separation, create a high/low pass workflow. Finish by refining detail and preparing the file for output. Apply selective sharpening on a duplicate layer and tune opacity so edges pop without artifacts. Then check color profile and export with appropriate format and quality settings. Once exported, verify the result on the target device. If something goes wrong, strange colors, tools acting odd, or missing layers, step back through the undo history, reset tool options, or temporarily flatten a copy to isolate compatibility issues and resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.